we're not going to the cafe. Morning from Châu Doc. Today we're heading to Phnom Penh. That should be about 5 hours up the Mekong River. So all we've got to do is walk to Victoria Hotel, which is about 10 minutes up the road, where we're gonna head up the Mekong.
Bye-bye.
Everyone puts us to shame in Vietnam. They're up so early. Xin chào. This guy's just cooking a barbecue. It's 6:45 in the morning. Hello.
Morning.
We're here to catch a boat.
Okay, follow them.
Thank you. There's our boat. Hang Chow Tourist Express boat.
Morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, thank you, yes.
I was sitting at the...
Yeah, these two here, yeah. See you later, Vietnam. It's massive. We've just got off the boat because our passports are now being processed, so we get to wait here, get something to eat. We bought a bottle of wine yesterday. We got a bottle for maybe like €4, and we were both just saying that we really fancy some wine, but it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And also we sat next to a nice Italian couple, and I think they'd look down at us if we have some £4 wine. Let's have a little look around here. Oh, hello. What can we get here?
Coffee, snacks.
Fortunately, there's not much to show you around here. We do have the Mekong. It's so industrial around here. Pretty filthy, to be honest. And what you do have, you have these massive wooden ships. Obviously you have the normal cargo ones, like this one here. But every now and again you'll see these huge wooden ones. And they look beautiful because we don't really get wooden boats anymore in the UK. Not since like the 1700s. So whilst that says $25 for a visa, I think we've ended up paying like 37 to get it done much faster, which is fine. And then we got a bad exchange rate because we paid with dong.
So we have officially entered Cambodia.
Our 32nd country of this trip. Just getting our passports back now.
Here's our visa.
Right, we're getting back on the boat. Got our visa. Here it is. 2 pages left on my passport.
Okay, thank you.
We've got a packed lunch. What's in it, Chloe?
Biscuits. Biscuits, I think. Biscuits maybe, or a cake. And mini bananas.
There we go. Just ahead of us is Phnom Penh. We have arrived. Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. It's the capital, isn't it? Did you have fun on the Mekong?
I did. It was a nice boat ride. Phnom Penh in Cambodia. So all we need to do now is just to get our bags off the boat, and then it's about a kilometre to walk to our hotel.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good, how are you?
Yeah, so welcome Phnom Penh.
Thank you very much, thank you. It's brutal this, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Got 1 kilometre to walk. We've slowly been taking stuff out of our bags over the last 7 months. Welcome to Phnom Penh. We were here maybe 5-6 years ago, just on like a fleeting trip to Angkor Wat. And we didn't really get the chance to explore Phnom Penh. We've been seeing these barges all the way down the Mekong. And this just gives you an idea of how much they sink when they have a load on. Basically when they fill up, they just sink. So that shows how deep the Mekong is. Advertising at its best. Just over there is where we've come from, Vietnam. To the right of me we have Wat Ulalom Monastery, which is a 1400s Buddhist temple.
We're looking out for the Bright Lotus guest house. We're not far now, but it's a little bit warm, quite sweaty. It's like the heat of the day.
Height of the day. First time we've seen since Thailand, no, Malaysia, a 7-Eleven. So hopefully we can get some toasties from there. Yesterday, after we saw the kites, we did eat chicken, what was it, cartilage?
Chicken cartilage.
We ate chicken cartilage, so we've done our part for the local food. We're not going to the cafe. No, we can if you want. Considering it's a cat cafe and they have real cats as opposed to fake ones, I'd be up for that. Lotus Guest House should be around here. Oh, over here. Hello, sir.
How are you, sir?
Very good. How are you? We're here. Yeah, 2 nights.
2 weeks.
Yeah, double room. Yeah. Checked in. We're room 514. That means we're on the 5th floor. This is our gym workout right now. Is this the 5th floor?
No.
One more?
One more.
Oh, bloody hell. Wow. 513. 514.
We definitely need to shower and get something to eat, so we're going to leave the video there.
And drink some alcohol. Definitely need some alcohol.
Earned a beer after those steps.
We're going to get an early night tonight, so then tomorrow we're going to go to the killing field. So I might make a video, but just like a bit more somber, you know, a bit of information if people want to see it. But I'm not going to be chatting loads and chatting to the camera because I feel like that would be a little disrespectful. But anyway, let's get some alcohol.
Bye.
Before I shower, I just have to say how good this room is. Maybe we've been traveling for too long and maybe our standards have gone lower, but for £12 a night, you got a kettle, you got a fridge, you got water given to you, cups. Obviously 2 beds, fine, but they're foam mattresses.
We should get going.
Got a TV with English channels, 2 windows, which is massive, but then you've got the sunset and the sunrise. There's just something nice about waking up to sunlight. Aircon, it looks old, but it's really quiet. Warm shower, we haven't had a hot shower in ages. Mirror, toilet. It's not a squat toilet, so winning there. Couple of coat racks. Plus, we're on the 5th floor and we have an amazing view looking out at the city. And of course, a drying rack for my pink boxer shorts.